12 things Barbara Palvin does for beautiful and healthy skin. Barbara Palvin's beauty is arguably out of this world. Starting her career as a model at a young age, Palvin has conquered the runway like nobody else. Her name got even bigger after she became a Victoria's Secret angel. In addition to all this, the Hungarian beauty has also been appointed the brand ambassador for several different labels. We can probably all agree that her skin is exceptional. She just glows and radiates healthy skin. But what's her secret? We've pulled together the 12 things Barbara Palvin does for beautiful and healthy skin. Number 1. Apply minimal makeup. Barbara Palvin isn't a fan of thick makeup. She's all about wearing minimal makeup, especially on her days off. It allows her skin to rest and get a breath of fresh air. Some of her favorite products are those for the complexion. Armani Luminous Silk Foundation and Armani Neo Nude Fusion Powder are her go-tos. She prefers blending the foundation using her fingers for a more natural look. Thanks to her makeup artist, Palvin has learned the secret to keeping her beauty popping. It's contouring. She loves drawing the number 3 on her face using the bronzer. She applies it to the jawline, cheeks, and hairline around the forehead. It helps define and accentuate her face. Number 2. Have a consistent nighttime routine. When she's working, Barbara Palvin has no choice but to apply more products on her face. But no matter how tired she feels at the end of the day, she never skips fully removing her makeup. The first step is a makeup remover. She always starts with the eyes because they're the hardest part to clean. Be gentle though to avoid encouraging wrinkles around your eyes at a young age. The next step is removing the foundation with an oil-based cleanser. Oil-based cleansers tend to feel gentler on the skin but work like magic. Palvin then applies some essence to get her face ready for the reviving cream. The cream has a light texture. She especially loves using her jade roller during this step. She massages her face for a few minutes before applying lip balm. It's the last step in her routine to keep her lips moist throughout the night. Number 3, and of course, morning routine. The first part of Barbara Palvin's morning skincare routine is quite unusual. She starts it with a makeup remover, just like she did the night before. It's because there can be some residue from her night routine that her skin hasn't been able to absorb. Then she moisturizes. The moisturizer she uses is the honey-based face oil by Pharmacy. After that, it's on to eye care. She applies Armani Crema Nera's Extreme Reshape Eye Serum. Again, be gentle with your eyes, especially the under eye area, as they tend to be more sensitive. And that's it for Barbara Palvin's morning skincare routine. Pretty simple, huh? Number 4. Do massages, not facial. For her skin treatment, instead of facials, Barbara goes for a massage. It's not that facials are bad, but they just don't work for her. She's realized that her skin suffers from breakouts after a facial, so she's decided to avoid them completely. According to skin therapist Liana Catrone, post-facial breakouts aren't uncommon. The skin purges for 1 to 2 days as a sign that it's getting rid of the toxins. During this purging process, whiteheads or pimples can occur. The more severe reactions are inflammation and redness. Although temporary, some people prefer not to go through that at all. The breakout may last longer and worsen any existing skin issues like acne, especially on sensitive skin. To minimize the side effects, make sure to consult with a dermatologist before getting any treatment. Number 5. Try the Volcanic Mask Treatment. Barbara Palvin uses the Volcanic Face Mask by Giorgio Armani. This product claims to make your face firmer and smoother. It also gives a natural lift to the face, making the skin look tighter. Volcanic Ash is an excellent skincare ingredient. It's rich in minerals and has antioxidant properties. It helps clear blemishes and soothes inflamed skin. Barbara loves using this mask on days when she has a busy schedule. She says that it moisturizes her skin and depuffs her face. After leaving it for 15 minutes, she splashes water on her face and massages it lightly. The mask then turns into a milky texture and she rinses it off thoroughly. Number 6. Use pimple patches. Barbara Palvin does not really have acne problems, but she always has her pimple patches ready. In her Vogue video, she shows how to use the cute flower-shaped pimple patch at night. Pimple patches are designed to treat surface-level acne. They're made of hydrocolloids that will dry pimples out. It absorbs the toxins under your skin while protecting the pimple from bacteria and your own hands. There are also patches with microneedles to poke into the pimple. Pimple patches aren't meant for severe acne issues, but they can speed up healing in light cases. Number 7. Wash face with cold water. Washing your face is something we do every day, but Barbara always makes sure that she washes hers with cold water. She got this tip from her mother and does it twice a day. This essential routine helps to tighten the pores. According to research, washing your face with cold water affects the skin in positive ways. First, cold water helps close the pores. This results in a generally smoother skin texture and depuffing of the face. Cold water is also beneficial, especially for dry skin. Unlike hot water, cold water doesn't have a drying effect. It doesn't strip the oil on your face, so you won't lose the natural moisture. Last but not least, exposure to cold water on the skin increases blood flow. It provides better protection from free radicals such as pollution. This brings out the healthy glow in your skin. Number 8. Have a glass of milk a day. Another secret to Barbara Palvin's healthy skin is a glass of milk a day. She's been doing this since she was little. She usually drinks it before bedtime. As a Hungarian, Barbara Palvin inherited this habit from her grandma. It's said milk can help prevent skin from looking dull, and science seems to agree with that. The protein in milk helps maintain skin elasticity. Milk has also anti-aging effects from the retinol and vitamin D in it. Furthermore, vitamin D helps protect the skin from UV rays. Number 9. Follow the 80-20 diet rule. Barbara Palvin's diet also contributes to her healthy skin and beauty. She follows the 80-20 diet, where she eats healthy 80% of the time. So what happens during the remaining 20%? She eats whatever she wants. She doesn't have a cheat day, that way it's less stressful for her. Barbara usually dedicates her lunch to increasing her vegetable intake. She loves having fresh-baked chicken with steamed broccoli or cauliflower. Consuming more vegetables means less saturated fat and cholesterol for the body. The skin then will produce less oil and reduce breakouts. Consuming fewer fats can also lower the chance of getting acne. Number 10. Have coffee and overnight oats. It turns out that even a simple morning diet has a positive impact on Barbara Palvin's skin. Nothing fancy, just coffee and overnight oats. She drinks coffee for energy, but a study says that consuming coffee can also benefit the skin. It has antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds which help in fighting against skin cancers. The properties of antioxidants and anti-inflammatory are also found in oatmeal. Oatmeal is rich in beta-glucan that can slow the effect of aging on the skin, such as wrinkles and dryness. It also contains fiber, vitamins, zinc, and manganese. Altogether, these compounds help maintain skin health by detoxifying and rejuvenating the skin. Number 11. Stick to a workout routine. For her workout routine, she follows her trainer's instructions and does anything from cardio, planks, and stability ball. She wraps up her session with a protein shake to help her muscles recover. But do workouts have anything to do with skin health? Absolutely! Working out promotes healthy circulation that in turn leads to vibrant, healthy skin. The activity increases blood flow and helps nourish the skin cells. It also helps sweep away the cellular debris from the system, cleansing the skin from the inside. Number 12. Try fun YouTube workouts. Barbara Palvin also has those days when she's just not in a gym kind of mood. When that happens, she prefers to exercise at home by watching YouTube tutorials. Her favorites are the ones on Kate Hudson's channel. She also enjoys doing Pilates. For home buddies, she suggests looking up the keyword 30 minutes intense Pilates. Working out on your own can help you focus more. It trains mindfulness that can reduce stress levels. Keeping your stress level low does wonders for your skin. Stress can have a negative influence on the sebaceous glands that produce skin oil. That's why your skin tends to break out when you're stressed. Lowering your stress level will help improve your skin condition. A balanced life contributes a lot to your skin's health. So there you have 12 things Barbara Palvin does for beautiful and healthy skin. If you think about it, none of them are overly complex or difficult. You can easily follow her know-how. Barbara Palvin always emphasizes the importance of cleaning your face, so you should never skip cleansing your face after a long day. Also, remember that caring for your skin shouldn't be done from the outside only. Maintaining its health from the inside is as important. A healthy diet and proper exercise will help bring out your own radiant glow.